So in the last hour, YouTube just announced on their official blog that they are changing the monetization requirements to monetize your channel here on YouTube and join the YouTube Partner Program. And I'm not going to sugarcoat things, guys. This might feel like a blow to your gut, to your heart, but we're going to go over these new updates. And I want us to really reposition our thinking around these changes and how we're going to work this year in order to get your channels monetized, because this is not light news. This is actually going to kind of feel like really big news. And if you are on your way to getting your channel monetized, or you haven't gotten your channel monetized yet, you've been thinking about it, you've been praying about it, now is the time to step up and really get yourself in gear. So in today's video, I just want to quickly break down what this new announcement is, what this means, and what I think you should do this year to really step it up, because you're going to need to step it up if your channel isn't monetized and that's one of your goals, and you are going to want to do it this year. So they just put out this news, and I want to just get right to it, because I know what you care about right now is what is going to affect my monetization, right? Currently, it's that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. And a lot of people think, that already is kind of a hard feat, right? Well, YouTube just announced that to keep pace with the growth of YouTube, which now sees over 200 billion daily shorts views and over 1 billion hours of watch time on TV every day, we are updating the YPP entry requirements for ads and premium revenue sharing for new creators. This update, however, will not impact creators already in the YouTube Partner Program. So if you're already monetized, have a sigh of relief. If you are not, this is where I need you to put on goggles right now. New creators applying for YPP will now need 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 165 days or 20 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days. This threshold for fan funding and shopping products remain unchanged. This is essentially double the amount of watch hours, and many could argue getting 4,000 watch hours is so much harder than getting 1,000 subscribers. And now you essentially have to get double. However, take a beat, take a breath. Together, these updates allow us to invest in new incentive programs that directly support creator growth and many business models that will work across YouTube. Creators can review and sign new terms within YouTube Studio. This is going to take effect February 1st, 2027. So you have the rest of August, September, October, November, December, January. You have 6 months. If you are not monetized yet, I want you to check out your 365 days right now on your channel. And I want you to see how many watch hours do you need in order to get monetized. Now, many people right now could say, that's not the only way to get monetized. In fact, that's probably the lowest way to get monetized, and that you could be making money right now. And I will put my next video I want you to watch on how you can be making money right now off YouTube, right? There's so many different ways to be making money outside of YouTube AdSense. However, as someone who cracked the code last year, completely exploded, blew up their channel, became a full-time YouTuber, I understand that recent feeling of I am trying to get my channel monetized. I am so close, that feeling of being so freaking close to getting your channel monetized and now feeling should I just give up? Should I go to TikTok? No. Take a beat, take a breath. You have 6 months. You need to step it up. You need to put yourself in higher gear. I have a few things I want you to be thinking about in order to really rev up those watch hours. And a lot of that has to do with keeping people on your channel, keeping people binging. So this is how I think we need to be thinking. I have said this so many times. I have a video on this about how you need to start creating bingeable content so people watch more of your channel. Stop thinking in one-off videos. Start thinking in creating bingeable series. Start thinking like my world, which is the television world, keeping people on the platform. What video can you watch next? This is honestly the main update. I wouldn't even worry about any of the other updates. There's an update about YouTube Shorts. Beginning February 1st, creators who have 10 million qualified Shorts views over the last 90 days will be eligible for ads and subscriptions, blah, blah, blah. We're broadening this out for channels below 10 million views. You are essentially not going to be getting monetized on your shorts. And that could be a bummer for many of you, right? That make a lot of money off of YouTube Shorts. But I would also reposition your thinking about shorts. And I literally treat YouTube Shorts as if it's just an ad to our long form videos. Just be thinking of shorts as ads to your long form videos. You're going to link your related videos to your long form ones, and you want to drive traffic to your long form. So right now, the second thing I would do is go in and look at all your shorts and make sure that your shorts are leading to related long form videos. Because if you're not already doing that, you're leaving money on the table. How many times have you watched a short from a podcast or watched a short from a long form video and thought, wow, that was a good short. I wish I could see the whole thing. Make sure those videos are linked. Go back in all your old videos and link together your videos. I had one of my clients that I adore, and we changed things on the back end of all of her old videos and didn't even necessarily need to make new videos. And just by changing all the back end stuff, she was able to monetize her channel. So there's probably a lot of things that you're not doing already on your old videos that you could be doing to really increase those watch hours. Now, if you want to learn how to build out a YouTube show, I'm going to have you watch this video next. But if you are like, Ashley, let's freaking go. We got 6 months. Let's step it into high gear. Here are 2 things I want you to do. First, join our free Creator Hive school community. Bond with other creators, get free resources, connect with me. Let's freaking go. We have free live workshops, but also here's what I'm going to do that's crazy. We just released YouTube Bootcamp, which is every single thing. Like, it's the most extensive course on YouTube you will ever take. It's the most insane, cheap price. I'm not only going to give you a group coaching session, but I'm going to give you a private 1-hour session with me for anyone who joins this month because of this news, because I understand that feeling. You are freaking hustling on this platform. And if you are hustling and you're like, what do I do? How do I build up my channel? How do I understand psychology? Just check out YouTube Bootcamp and just sign up. You're going to get a free group coaching and a free private coaching, and let's freaking go. I will see you in the next video, and I'll see you in the Creator Hive. You got this. Use this as inspiration to freaking pump yourself up and say, let's freaking go. Now is the time, because believe me, if you're trying to monetize your channel, you are not going to want to wait until next year to do it. This was maybe the fire in your butt, the fire, the light, whatever it is in your butt that you needed to say, let's freaking go, baby. Now is the time. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the Hive. Join Bootcamp, and I can't wait to meet with you privately. And I'll see you later, guys. We got this. We freaking got this.